Leo, Leo, he is awake again. Please, look at him.
I am up. I am up. Don't worry, Mia. I have him.
My back, it hurts so much. I can't stand up yet. Did the doctor say when the pain stops?
Shh. Shh. Little guy, why are you crying? Are you hungry? I think he is hungry, Mia.
Leo, I just fed him 1 hour ago. He is not hungry. Maybe check his diaper?
No. He is sucking his hand. That means he is hungry. I will give him another bottle.
Another bottle? That is too much. His small tummy. Oh, I am so tired to argue.
Why is he not drinking? Come on, eat. You need to sleep.
Leo, stop. Look at his face. He is pushing the bottle away. You are overfeeding him. That is why he's crying.
I am trying to help, Mia. You are always telling me I am wrong. I just want him to stop crying so you can rest.
But I am not resting, Leo. I am watching you make him uncomfortable. Give him to me.
Fine, you do it. You are the expert.
I am not an expert. I am just a mother who is in pain.
He is still crying. Why is he still crying? Maybe he is sick.
Leo, don't shake him like that. Hold his head. Support his neck. He is so small.
I am holding him. What is that smell? Did he go to the bathroom?
Check the diaper, Leo, please.
It looks clean. Wait. Oh, I didn't see. It is wet. Very wet.
He didn't check. He spent 30 minutes feeding him, but he didn't check the diaper. I feel like I'm doing this alone, even when he's here.
Stay still. Just stay still for 1 minute. Why is this so hard?
Leo, give him to me. You're being too loud. You're scaring him.
I am scaring him? I'm the one doing everything. I'm changing diapers. I'm making bottles. You just sit there and complain.
I just sit here? Leo, look at me. You see the baby. You only see the baby. You ask if he is hungry. You ask if he is clean.
Because he is our son, Mia. He is the priority.
What about me, Leo? What about me? I am also in pain. My body is cut open. Every time I move, it feels like a knife. I haven't slept in 3 days. I haven't brushed my hair. I haven't looked in the mirror. I am not just a mother, Leo. I am not a baby machine. I am still Mia. I am still your wife. But you don't look at me. You don't ask, Mia, are you okay? I am drowning, Leo, and you are just watching the water.
She is right. I forgot her. I was so scared of the baby. I forgot my wife. I thought I was being a hero, but I was being a stranger. Mia, I am so sorry.
I am just so tired, Leo. I am so tired.
Your hand is so cold. I am a fool. I thought if I fixed the baby, you would be happy. I didn't realize that you need fixing too.
I don't need fixing. I just need you to see me.
I see you now. I see how much you are hurting. I see how hard you are trying. Tomorrow, I am calling my mother. She will come and hold the baby. And you are going to sleep for 6 hours. I will sit by your side.
I just want to feel like a human again, Leo.
Wait, don't pick him up yet. Let's see. Maybe he is just dreaming.
Listen to his breath. He is settling down. See, he just needed to hear our voices being quiet.
We made so many mistakes tonight, didn't we?
Yes, we fed him too much. We held him wrong. We fought.
But he is sleeping now, and you are here with me. Close your eyes, Mia. I am here. I am watching the baby, and I am watching you.
Thank you, Leo. We are going to be okay, aren't we?
We are not perfect. We will make more mistakes tomorrow. But yes, we are going to be okay.